Breakouts can be very powerful, but most traders lose money because they enter too late after the move already started. That's when breakouts turn into traps. Hi, I'm Leo. Breakout strategies work when the market moves sideways first and then suddenly expands in one direction. Let's build a clean breakout setup step by step on the Margex chart. First, open Bitcoin on the Margex chart. Look for a clear range where price moves sideways between two levels. You will usually see multiple touches at the top and bottom. Draw resistance at the top of the range and support at the bottom. This range shows where buyers and sellers are balanced. A breakout happens when price finally leaves the range. But the mistake many traders make is buying the first big candle. That often happens when the move is already extended. Instead, traders usually use one of two entry methods. Option 1 is the retest entry. Wait for a candle to close above resistance. Then watch if price comes back to test the level again. If the level holds, traders often enter long. Option 2 is a stop market order. This allows the trade to trigger automatically when price breaks the level. Let's look at option 2 on Margex. In the order panel, choose Stop Market. Set the stop price slightly above the resistance level. When price breaks that level, the order triggers automatically. For learning, it's better to use small leverage because breakouts can fail quickly. Stop loss goes back inside the range. If price returns inside the range, the breakout probably failed. For take profit, traders often measure the height of the range and project that distance upward. This gives a logical target for the move. One important rule: if you buy every candle that suddenly spikes up, you're not trading, you're gambling. Breakout strategies work best when you have a clear level, a plan, and a stop. Quick reminder, this video is educational, not financial advice. Always manage your risk and use a stop loss. If you want more trading strategies explained step by step on the Margex platform, subscribe to the channel.